Hello everyone, this is our project Sundial and this is our team and we consist of 4 members. This is me, Farhan, and here Dhruv, Atul and Aryan. Hello everyone, let's take a journey back into the time to discover one of the most important and humanity's most ingenious invention of all time, that is sundial. So, imagine a world where you don't have any method to know what time it is. So, how did you know what time it is? My answer is by the help of the sun. We are able to know what time it is, and our project, that is Sundial, is able to know it. So today we are going to discuss its component, its working, its limitation, and the legacy that it had created into the human history. So what is a sundial? So sundial is a small device that tells us by using the sun's shadow at what time it is. It is not just a tool, it is a blend of science, art, astronomy. Sundial is used by 1,000 of years by Greeks, Mesopotamians and Romans for determining what time it is. Even today, they remain a symbol of timeless connections between nature and human integrity.
Now, talking about its component, it consists of two parts, the gnomon and the dial plate. Gnomon is basically a triangular structure whose angle is equal to the latitude angle of the earth, and the dial plate is a flat surface on which numbers are drawn for the following times. As you can see here, when the sun casts its shadow on the gnomon, the dial plate reflects its shadow on it and shows the time. As we know that the earth rotates about its axis and making the sun to pass through it, and as the position of the sun changes, the shadow which makes on the gnomon changes according to the time and tells us about the time.
Now, talking about the significance of this device, its significance lies in the historical, scientific, and sustainable importance. Sundials are one of the earliest tools used to measure time, dating back to thousands of years to civilizations like Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, and Chinese. Sundials helped societies establish routines for agriculture, trade, and daily life by providing a reliable way to track time before developing mechanical clocks. Now coming to its scientific importance, sundials rely on understanding the Earth's rotation and sun's apparent motion. They helped ancient astronomers to study celestial movements and develop calendars. Sundial is also a symbolism of sustainability. Sundials solely rely on solar energy, making it completely renewable and efficient, which resonate with today's environmental values.
While sundials are elegant, they have their limitations. They only work in daylight. Cloudy days or nighttime render them useless. Seasonal changes can affect their accuracy unless adjustments are made. Sundials are location specific. A sundial calibrated for one latitude won't work for other. The conclusion is the sundial is a testament to human creativity and our ability to observe and harness nature. It is a reminder of how ancient civilizations connected with the cosmos to organize their lives. Though modern clocks have taken over, the sundial remains a timeless symbol of simplicity and brilliance. Thank you for joining me on this journey through time, powered by sun itself. Thank you.